So in today's lesson, we are going to tackle this cycle geometry problem. Okay, the question is drafted from past WAEC questions. Okay, the question says A, B, C, and D are points on a cycle. Okay, we are told that BA is produced to meet M, and if MAD is 82, then ADO is 74, then we're asked to find ABO. Okay, so this question is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? And when we have a cyclic quadrilateral, when four-sided shape is inscribed in a cycle such a way that each of the vertices touches what? The cycle at this point and all these points, then we can say there was cyclic quadrilateral. And cyclic quadrilateral, some of the properties of a cyclic quadrilateral. One, it says that opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means they sum up to 180 degrees. Another property says the exterior angles, that means the angle outside the cycle, is usually the same thing as the opposite interior. So in this case, C is opposite A, so the exterior angle in A is equals to the interior angles in C, right? So we can conclude that based on the second property, right? So this angle will be 82 degrees. 82 degrees. All right. So let ABO equals to X. That's what we're asked to find. Let ABO equals to X. Okay. So also we can find this angle. If I let this angle equals to A, and this line, everything here lies on a straight line, so we can add A plus 82 to get 180. So let's quickly do that. We have A plus 82 degree equals to 180 degree. So A equals to 180 degree minus 82 degree. A equals to, if you subtract it, we have 98 degrees. Okay, so A equals to 98. A equals to 98 degree. So now we're asked to find ABO, that is the value of X. Okay, so the opposite angle must sum up to 180, right? And now, if I let this center, the angle at the center, if I let this angle at the center to be equals to Q, then we can use one of the property that says the angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So I can say Q equals to 2 bracket 82 degree. And what is the reason for that? Angle at the center of a cycle, at the center, equals to 2 times angle at circumference. So the angle at the center here is Q, and the angle at the circumference here is 82. So we can say Q equals to 2 times 82 give us 164 degree. Okay, so we have 164 degree, which is now there's another quadrilateral here. Okay, this quadrilateral BADO is also a quadrilateral, and the sum of angles in a quadrilateral add up to what? To 360 degrees. So we are going to add X plus Q plus 74 plus 98 equals to 360. Now remember, we already have the value of Q as 360, as 164. So let's add it to find X. X plus Q is 164 plus 98 plus 74 equals to 360 degree. All right, X plus, so 164 plus 98 plus 74. Let's quickly add it up. All right, so 164, 98. So 164 plus 98 plus 74 will give us 336. So 336 equals to 360 degree. Okay, so to collect light time, we have x equals to 360 degree minus 336 degree. So x equals to 24 degree. And that's the answer. Remember, we let ABO equals to x. So we can say, therefore, ABO equals to 24 degrees. And that's the answer. Okay? Therefore means that this angle equals to 24 degree. And this angle, like we have here, is what? Is 164 degree. Thank you.